Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your seats on your Ryanair flight. Now, we are in the middle of booking a flight, as you can see, and we are in the passenger information section. So when we click continue, this is practically where you can choose your seats. So if you've been on a previous flight and you're going to be transferred to a different one, and for example, this is your seat right here, right? What you want to do to move from here, maybe to up front, is to unclick your seat, as you can see here, and choose the one that you want to move to or transfer to instead. Or regardless, you can just, if this is your seat, you want to choose to transfer to here, just click on the new seat and it's going to move you automatically there. So that is practically how you do so. And if you want to transfer seats, uh, do so before you actually click continue and just book the flight, because once that's done, you practically can't change anything. Ryanair isn't as flexible as other airlines, so make sure, again, unless it's a transfer of flights. For example, you got delayed and you can transfer to another flight, then it's gonna show up here for, like what I said. If you're here, you want to move to here, all you need to do is either unclick that and then click here, or just click to where you want to move to. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.